Welcome back to the Stoic Alchemist, where we unlock the secrets of ancient wisdom for modern life. Today, we're diving into a powerful concept that can transform your approach to conflict and challenge: walking away. Sounds counterintuitive? Stick around because we're about to explore how this simple act can be your greatest power. Number 1. The power of walking away. Imagine you're in a heated argument, emotions are flaring, and every word feels like a dagger. What if I told you that sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is to walk away? Stoicism teaches us that true strength lies not in stubbornly fighting every battle, but in knowing when to gracefully exit. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, understood this well. He believed that we should focus on what's within our control and let go of what we can't change. Walking away doesn't mean giving up, it means choosing peace and preserving your energy for battles worth fighting. Number 2. Real-life examples. Let's talk real life. Think of a time when staying in a toxic environment, whether it's a job, relationship, or social circle, was draining you. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. Walking away from these situations can be the most empowering decision you make. Here's a powerful story from one of our viewers. Jane found herself stuck in a job that not only drained her energy but was impeding her personal growth. By walking away and pursuing her passion, she found renewed purpose and happiness. This wasn't an act of weakness, it was an act of profound self-respect. Number 3. How to make walking away work for you. So how can you make walking away a strategic power move? Here are 3 Stoic-inspired steps. Step 1. Reflect on your values. Understand what truly matters to you. Walking away is easier when you're clear about your personal principles and goals. Step 2. Assess the situation objectively. Take a step back and evaluate if the situation is worth your time and energy. Use rational thinking to decide if it aligns with your values. Step 3. Embrace the freedom. Walking away can bring a sense of liberation. Embrace this new space as an opportunity for growth and positive change. By applying these steps, walking away becomes less of a defeat and more of a strategic choice for your well-being. Number 4. Call to action. Now that you know the power of walking away, how will you apply this wisdom in your life? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on Stoicism and personal growth. Remember, the path to wisdom is a journey. Walk it with courage and clarity. Thanks for watching The Stoic Alchemist, and we'll see you in the next video.